Yeah.
No, you are?
Yeah.
Okay, Lily, this is your first attempt at cereal. At oatmeal. Are you ready?
Oh boy.
Are you ready?
Oh boy. Yeah, big peeps.
Oh yeah, I know you want to help
Oh
Mama.
yeah, help mama.
Yeah, you want to help
Oh
Mama.
yeah.
Oh. Yeah, do you like that?
What do you think about that, pumpkin?
You just want to chew on the spoon, don't you?
Oh, you gotta eat that. Yeah. What are you gonna do? Yeah, that's your first solid food, honey. Oh.
Well, this is going to be a big mess.
You're doing good, pumpkin.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like that?
Is that yummy?
Oh.
Is that yummy?
Yes,
Do you have a
you
little
do
more?
like that. Oh boy.
Yeah. Is my left hand in the way?
No, you're doing good. You're both doing good. I'm so proud of you both.
Okay, Lily.
Yeah, here comes the airplane.
Here's a little more. Yeah.
Yeah, pumpkin, get that in there. Yeah, you're doing good, baby. What do you think about that?
See, nom 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 nom. You just want to chew on this spoon, don't you?
Yeah, you want a little more. Oh, that's a big girl. That's my big girl. Yes. Oh, you're such a cutie buns. You are such a cutie buns.
Yummy. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
What do you think of that oatmeal? Is that good stuff?
I think you want some
Do you
more.
want some more? Mommy should be doing the sign for more.
I think you want some more. Get in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll go get that off your chin. She's doing great.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah. I had a feeling you'd be a good eater.
Lily,
Daddy's good at eating.
Lily, more. More. More.
Let's talk more action, Ma.
Well, we have to learn the sign for more because it's hard to do the more sign while Mommy's breastfeeding.
Oh, Ma, meatloaf.
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 Well, once you master the oatmeal, we can get you some meatloaf. Yeah, we can grind up some meatloaf.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta swallow that stuff. Yeah, you have to swallow that first. Then you can have some more.
Oh, you're such a cutie bunch.
More. More. Here we go. Here's more.
Oh, boy. You, you are so cute. Oh. Oh, honey, look at all the food in your face.
You have to swallow what's in your mouth, sweetie, first.
She'll get there.
Yeah, you gotta swallow it
Yes.
before you can have a little more.
You're such a big girl in your high chair.
You ready for
Yeah.
more?
Oh, there you go. You're doing so good, Punky.
Yeah. Let's try and get a little less juice and a little more oatmeal this time.
I think she likes it.
Yeah, you're doing very good, sweetie. Mommy's very proud of you. Maybe we should have tried this a while ago.
I think so.
No, I don't think I think she's finally. I don't think she would have been ready at 4 months because she still had that tongue thrust. She wasn't sitting up on her own yet, and those are all things that you need to be able to eat solid food. You weren't ready at 4 months.
Look at that hot mama.
You're ready for it now, though, aren't ya?
Hi, little stinky buns. Hi, little
Daddy
stinky.
keeping you?
You look so serious.
Yeah.
I
stuff, Maynard? Yeah, yummy, yummy.